This is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Chinese inspired dish. I'm going to be showing you how to make Kung Pao Shrimp. Really easy to make and super delicious. I really recommend it. Remember, you will find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. For this recipe, I'm using a wok that my friends at Michelangelo Kitchen sent me, and it's a 4-in-1 wok. First, of course, you can use it as a wok. It's great for cooking stir fry, but it also comes with a deep frying basket, so you can use it as a deep fryer, and it also comes with a steaming rack, so you can use it as a steamer, or if you prefer, you can just use it as a regular non-stick ceramic skillet and nothing sticks to it. It's really great for cooking healthy meals without any oil at all. I really love it, and you will be seeing plenty of this wok in my channel. It's just amazing, nothing sticks to it, it's really big and the quality is phenomenal and it's really pretty. I really recommend it. So Michelangelo Kitchen gave me a discount code, so if you're interested in buying this wok, you will find the link and the discount code in the description box of this video. So don't forget to check it out, you won't regret it. This wok is amazing, it's great quality and it's just beautiful. I really recommend it. So to make this recipe, we will start by marinating the shrimp. So place the shrimp in a bowl, and remember the shrimp is already clean, peeled and deveined. So we will season the shrimp with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and half a teaspoon of sesame oil. We will also add in 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, and you will find the hoisin sauce in the international aisle in your grocery store. Also season the shrimp with black pepper to taste and a pinch of salt. Remember, the soy sauce is already salty, so I'm only adding a pinch of salt. If you prefer, you can omit the salt if you want to. We're going to toss everything together until the shrimp is well seasoned, and then we're going to marinate it for at least 15 minutes before cooking it. Now to make the sauce, in a small bowl or cup, we're going to combine 2 tablespoons of water together with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1.5 tablespoons of rice wine or cherry if you prefer so. To this, we will also add in 1 tablespoon of sugar, together with 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Stir until everything is well combined, and then we're going to add in half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Stir once again until everything is well combined, and then just set it aside until you're ready to use it. Now in a wok or in a large skillet on high heat, we're going to add in about half a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and once the oil is nice and hot, now we're going to add in the shrimp, and we're going to cook it for about 2 minutes on each side. You want the shrimp to get a pinkish color, but it doesn't have to cook completely. You just want it to change in color. So once the shrimp changes in color, we will remove it from the wok, and we will just set it aside until we're ready to use it. Now in the same wok, we're going to add in a little bit of sesame oil, and then we're going to add in the onion, and we're going to cook the onion for about 1 minute. Just to soften it a little bit. And then after a minute, now we will also add in the minced ginger and the minced garlic. Stir fry for about 30 seconds, just so the garlic and the ginger will start releasing their flavor. And then after 30 seconds, now we're going to add in the bell peppers. And I cut the peppers about the same size as the onion pieces. And I'm using a green, a red and a yellow bell pepper, but you can use whatever color that you prefer. And we're going to stir fry the peppers for about 2 or 3 minutes. And I like my peppers to have some crunch, so I only cook them for about 2 minutes, but if you want them to be softer, feel free to cook them for a longer time until they have the texture that you like. So once the peppers are softer, now right in there we will also add in the soy sauce mixture. And then we will also add in 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Give it a stir until everything is well combined, and then continue to stir fry this for about 30 seconds. And then after 30 seconds, add in the dried chilies and also add in the roasted peanuts. Stir once again and continue to stir fry this for another 30 seconds, just so the peanuts and the chilies will start releasing their flavor and oil. And then after 30 seconds, now we're going to add in the shrimp back into the wok. Stir once again until everything is well combined, then taste the flavor, add more salt and pepper if needed, and then continue to cook for another 2 more minutes until the sauce has thickened a little bit. and all the ingredients are well heated through. Once everything is well heated through, now you can serve it. This is how it looks. And I'm just serving it with white rice. And then I'm going to sprinkle with chopped green onions, and that's about it. This is so delicious, I really recommend it. Enjoy! To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!